This is a 997 Turbo with the PCM 2.1 radio system. I'm going to turn the key to on, get a Bluetooth signal from my phone to the PCM through the BTR-3 module. Key to on. Oh, by the way, it says radio off. Now we'll turn on radio. The phone is streaming now. I'm going to take my phone. I'm streaming from an app. Okay, this is the app. Right now I'm going to make a phone call. Phone. And it switched over to the phone. If I press telephone, it'll show that it's dialing. There it goes.
Please leave your message for...
Now it's showing my phone again. And it went back to streaming music. And we can shut off the phone from this application. It's still streaming Bluetooth, so the phone is off, but it's streaming. So we go back to main.